Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Ma 6. I have been gone for a little while. We were so crazy busy, but I'm back and I'm so excited. We're gonna do a pinch me opening. Look at, not one but two. I got two of them. I'm so excited. So I didn't even open them at all yet. So here we go. Guess I should have tried to open the boxes a little bit first. I'm very excited. I've never had pinch me before, so here we go. All right, we got two Meow Mix Simple Serve for the kitty cats to try. I can't believe they're real serving sizes. And then we got a free anyone package of Meow Mix serving. Oh wow, coupon for free Meow Mix then? That's amazing. Then I got a $30 HelloFresh gift card. So it's off your first box, and I've already did this before. So if I can't do it again, then I will have a giveaway and give somebody $30 for the first box, which is a really good deal because their food's amazing. All right, next we got Slim Fast bars. So I really wanted to try this. I love chocolate peanut butter, and that's what this one is. And I really need to be on a diet, so it's a good time to try something new. All right, so that's what's in the first box. Slim Fast bar. $30 gift card for HelloFresh, a coupon for free cat food, and the sample for the cat food. I like it. I'm digging it. All right, so I'm going to put all that back in that box. And then my second box. Ooh. Let's see. First one is ZzzQuil. Whoopsies. Nighttime sleep aid. There's 2 tablets. My husband will love to use this. And there's a $2 coupon. I bet he'll want to try this tonight. He's having a hard time sleeping lately. Then we got, oh cool, more cat stuff. I think this is, yeah, it's just dry cat food. So that's awesome. That's a big sample. That's cool. All right. So let's see what else we got. We have a coupon for $1 off of the cat food. Let me see it. I don't know why it's not focusing. Let's see. Then we have a coupon for buy one, get one free on the door. I don't know why it's not very good. Oh, another $30 gift card. Okay, I'm gonna have to have a giveaway because I'm not gonna use those. And then this is just a card talking about Friskies. So, anyways, yeah, basically, cat food, NyQuil, HelloFresh cardigan, and 2 coupons. So I'm digging that. All right, well, those are my pinch me boxes that we got in the mail yesterday. Hi, can you say hi? I'm crabby. Is it bedtime already?
No.
No, can you say happy Halloween? Oh, Halloween. All right, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Lisa from Ma 6. Please. Okay, 1 minute. I do videos of box openings and just about our daily lives, grocery store shopping, couponing, meal prepping for a large family, just a bunch of different things. It's just us. So anyways, I hope you hit that subscribe button if you're brand new. And if you wouldn't mind hitting a thumbs up, hit that bell for notifications so you know when I upload videos. And I will see you guys all soon. Bye.